this is a custom arm we've done for lifting a part going into a machine. Very simple controls. You got the grip and release. You have flow controls that control the speed on the up and down. You have proportional up and down control here. Kind of a lightweight 150-pound arm, very easy to maneuver. You can push it around really with just a couple of fingers. I like to work against the knuckle of these arms when I'm pushing them. You line it up with the knuckle, push against the knuckle. It makes it really easy to use. And you can kind of move that secondary arm, wherever you want, all the way in on itself and out. This arm's pretty simple. We have friction brakes at the joints to prevent excess drifting. Again, very easy arm to use, very simple. Everything on this is stainless steel. We have a Teflon coating on these jaws to prevent chemical resistance, and a special chemical resistant paint up here. Again, with the handle, you'll see you can actually get some nice spotting. Once you kind of get going, and you go to more proportional mode, you actually creep down very slowly. All the way down here. Release. Come on up. That is the basic operation of this tool. For any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.